Hi everyone, welcome to IC Arts, the channel for artists and illustrators. My name is Irina, I am a digital artist, and today we're talking about portfolio. Portfolio is a vital thing for every single artist or illustrator, and sometimes we might think that it's taking us too long to make one, and then we stop, and then we continue, and then we never like it, and we always forget to update it. In this video, I want to share with you the best places where you could share your portfolio at, because an illustrator needs to have a portfolio in various places because it helps to increase the visibility and find potential clients and collaborators. Now, if you're just a beginner and you do not have a portfolio, that's fine. First of all, on this channel, we are making a portfolio together, or we've already made one, depending on when you're watching it. And we're making portfolio case on Behance, and we're making a physical or PDF portfolio. Do make a portfolio. It doesn't matter, even if you know that it's not your strongest work, put it in there. You can always update it later, but you need to have something already right now. I will share with you several platforms and places where you can have your portfolio at, but do not get me wrong, I understand that it's sometimes not possible to have it everywhere, because just having a portfolio on a platform is not usually enough. You need to be active on that platform as well, and that could take a lot of time. So let's be realistic, pick 2 or 3 and be active on those platforms and update your portfolio regularly, put in the new work. The first platform would be Behance. You can watch my video about Behance where in detail I'm explaining every single thing about that platform. It's a platform for designers, photographers, illustrators, and they showcase their work, they support each other, and of course it's a wonderful place to find a global exposure, global audience where you can find the orders. Social media platforms, also great. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, you name it, find the one you like the most. I have my portfolio on Instagram, but I think for me it's more of being a part of the community, and then don't forget to update it if you have your account on Instagram, because even if the client opens it up and he sees that you have been active, God knows when, you don't know. Are you still in business? Can I give an order to you? You understand, right? And for me, it could be really an entertaining and interacting way for artists to communicate with other artists, because community is the most important thing for us guys. I think this support that we could get is essential, especially when we feel down, and well, I feel down a lot of times. Another place, not that obvious, could be online marketplaces such as Etsy, for example. I've known artists who had orders from potential clients on Etsy because they showcase their work, and clients probably think that, oh, I love that, but I want this thing changed, for example, and they know it's an illustrator, so this could be done as a personal order. I am on Etsy too, but I haven't really given a lot of time, or no time at all, to be honest, on the platform, because if you're just showcasing an artwork with some kids and magical castles and all that, well, people usually don't need it because there is no place where they can use it. It's just an illustration, right? So I would say, if you want maybe to sell some digital items over there, or maybe prints, postcards, calendars, you name it, that could be a great idea. Another place, not that obvious, could be not that obvious, well, it wasn't obvious for me anyways, is online communities and forums. Websites like Reddit, DeviantArt, various Discord servers cater artists and illustrators, so do your own research and see if that's suitable for you. Another, probably it's last but not the least, will be the physical portfolio. Believe it or not, in our modern days when everything is digital, to get a physical portfolio is like, wow. It will definitely leave a lasting impression if you are at a job fair, if you are showcasing your portfolio to a client or publisher. I know that usually you would pitch your portfolio to the publishers, sending them an email, but believe it or not, if you just want to prepare, say, design, create, draw a postcard and send it over with your artwork to the publishing agency, this is like, that's something different, right? So believe it or not, physical portfolio could be still a go. These are all the places I can share with you, and again, I will remind, you don't need to be everywhere because that's impossible. When is the time that you're going to actually spend drawing, right? So now my question is, Do you guys have a portfolio yet? Do you like it? Is it time to update it? Do you want to participate in that portfolio building thing together here? Do not forget to download my guide because I've really shared everything I know about that. And any questions, guys, you have, be happy to answer them. And if you just want to chat in the comments, that would be amazing. I love to be a part of the artist community, and I hope you do too. I wish you all the best in your portfolio journey. Do not be afraid to showcase your work. Go out there, be there, and trust me, you will get better and better with time, but there's supposed to be the start of everything, right? So all the best, and I'll see you in my next video.